I'm Leona from S&S, and today I'm going to show you how to embellish with Angelina Fibres and the Polymer stamps. Angelina Fibres, once they've made into a small, used with the stamps, they can be used onto other textile projects. And there's just a few samples there that we've done previously. The Angelina Fibres come in a variety of colours, so you can just use one or two colours, or you can mix a whole lot of them together. There is also a variety of different styles of stamps that you can use, but today we're just going to use the heart one. So with the heart one, we just ink it up on the stamp pad. Now this is a stays on stamp pad, which actually has a refill for it as well. So you just press it onto the pad and ink it up. So that's got the black ink on it. Then you just select some Angelina Fibres and you place them over the top. Now you don't need a lot. You still want to be able to see the stamp through it. So we use a few different colours just to highlight areas. Okay, so once you've got enough fibres on there, and then you will put the baking paper over the top. Just stuck a little bit to my hand then. Baking paper over the top to protect the iron. Now the iron is set on a little bit warmer than silk. If it's too hot, the iron will make the Angelina Fibres a bit dull. If it's too cold, they won't stick. Now you iron it between 5 and 10 seconds until you can see the ink start to come through. Once you can see the ink, you know that it's actually got a nice firm hold. We take the paper off. Now just pick up the stamp carefully. Attach that to the paper a little bit, flip it over, and then we'll just peel that off. And there we have an embellishment made with the Angelina Fibres and the Polymer stamps. Very simple. Thank you.